Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create your own word search puzzle book, something you can sell online, publish on Amazon KDP, or even gift to friends and family, then this tutorial is exactly what you need. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through creating a professional, fully customizable word search puzzle book using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll have everything ready to publish. All right, let's dive in. First, open up Canva. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, signing up is free and only takes a minute. Once you're inside Canva, look for the Create button at the top. This is your starting point for everything. Click Create, and a search box will appear asking you what you want to design. In that search bar, type Word Search. Canva is super smart. It will immediately show you a variety of word search templates and layouts. These templates save you hours of work because the grids and formatting are already set up. Go ahead and select Word Search Canvas or any similar option. This will open a blank page designed specifically for word search puzzles. Now you have two great choices. You can design your puzzle from scratch, or you can choose from Canva's pre-made templates. If you're short on time or just getting started, templates are a huge time saver. For this tutorial, I'll use a ready-made template, but feel free to explore and choose the one that fits your style. Once your template loads, the fun begins. This is where you customize everything. Change the title, update the word list, adjust fonts, or add images and icons to make your puzzle more appealing. If you're creating a puzzle book for kids, add colorful animals, stars, or cartoon icons. If it's for adults, go with a clean, minimal, elegant design. Let's say your theme is animals. Click on the current word list, delete the sample words, and type in your own list, like tiger, rabbit, eagle, dolphin. Canva automatically updates the puzzle grid for you. No manual editing, no placing letters one by one. It's instant. Go through each page and make sure everything looks neat and easy to read. When you're happy with your first puzzle, duplicate the page. Then simply replace the word list to create a brand new puzzle. Repeat this process until you have enough pages for an entire book, maybe 20, 30, or even 100 puzzles, depending on what you want to publish. Next, design a beautiful front and back cover. Use large, bold fonts so your book stands out. You can add illustrations, colors, or patterns that match your theme. A nice touch is to include a table of contents, an introduction, or even a small About the Author section. These little details make your puzzle book look much more professional. Once everything is ready, it's time to download your project. Click Download, choose PDF Print for the highest quality, and save it to your device. Your puzzle book is now complete and ready to upload anywhere. Etsy, Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or your own website. The possibilities are endless. And that's it. You've just created a complete word search puzzle book in Canva, fully customized and ready to sell or share. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy digital creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!